Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My old subscribers, you are welcome, and my new subscribers, if it's the first time tuning in on my channel, you are also welcome. So in this video I'm showing you a wig I made out of 3 bundles of 18 inches and a closure. Okay, so out of the 3 bundles I went ahead and bleached one of the bundle. So so I used it to make this wig, and now I'm straightening it out, I'm styling it. Okay, I decided to share I decided to share this with you guys. Okay, so because after bleaching or washing the wig or doing whatever, the wig will be, somehow wavy. So one thing you guys may know or not know is that you can wear wavy hair straight and straight hair wavy, okay, by straightening with your straightening iron or by curling with your curling iron. Okay, so if you find this video helpful or you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Please support your girl, help your girl to grow her channel. Okay, so you can support my channel by subscribing. Oh, look at these coils that they are popping. Okay, so please, if there's any content you want to be seeing on my channel, please suggest. That I'm out of content ideas. It's just that I want to engage you guys. Okay, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. It's chichi_gallery, and you see the beautiful hairstyles that will keep you glued to my Instagram page. Then please check out our website, is www.odosastyle.com. Is there you can find gorgeous bags and cute purses and male and female accessory, wristwatches, perfume. And please, it's a new website though, but it's verified by Shopify, so you are secured while shopping with us. Please support us by ordering shopping from us. Okay, and please guys, if you are watching my video, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, it's not fair. It takes a lot of time to make this video and edit them. Please support me by liking, share, comment on my video. Thanks and God bless you. I will see you in my other videos. Bye, thanks.